Hey, what's up? Welcome back to the another brand new lecture. In this lecture, I am going to give you a quick overview about resources of Amazon March on Demand. Web URL of the resources page is march.amazon.com/resources. Just type this URL and hit enter. Then you just navigate to this page. You will also find this page at the right top, right here. On the left, here you can see few different tabs: best practices, royalties, content policies, promote your March, and also some other tabs. Okay. In the Amazon March on Demand overview, here you can see Amazon says Amazon March on Demand makes it easy for you to create, promote, and market your branded merchandise with no risk and no upfront cost. Haha. Simply supply the artwork, choose your product type, color, then promote your products in your app, blog, on social media. Amazon takes care of the rest, including promotion, sales, shipping, creating a product page on Amazon.com. All at no cost to you. That means we need to pay anything extra to start business on March by Amazon. All we need to do is we need to do proper keyword research, competition analysis. Then if we upload some of our best designs, then hopefully we will get sales and easily we can make money. If I click on best practices tab, here you can see some artwork specification. Our final artwork should be in RGB color mode. Dimension should be 300 dpi, and here you can see some other settings: right placement position, defining transparency, and some other options. We will learn about it in more details in our upcoming lectures, so don't worry about it for now. Now this time, if I navigate to the royalties tab, then here you can see the list of Amazon costs. If you want to sell a standard t-shirt, for example in US, then if you set price $15.99, then your royalty will be $1.93. If you set your standard t-shirt price, for example $19.99, then your royalty will be $4.89. It because your royalty is based on your product's purchase price less any applicable tax and less Amazon's cost. Amazon costs including materials, production, fulfillment, customer service, returns, exchange, and resources required to detect and prevent fraud. If I scroll down for long sleeve t-shirt for USA store, see, if you set the price $22.99 for long sleeve t-shirt, then your profit will be $3.89 per sale. For pullover hoodie in US, if you set price $35.99, then for every sale your royalty or your profit will be $7.90, and list goes on. I hope now you understand how Amazon calculate royalties. Our next step is content policies. Amazon is very much strict with their content policies. All designs submitted through the March program must adhere to our content policies. That means you must comply their content policies. If you really want to work on Amazon March on Demand for long-term basis, you can easily check any keyword or any phrase which is trademarked or not, and some other rules they mentioned here. Read these rules and try to maintain all of this, otherwise your account may suspended. We will learn more about checking trademarks in this course, so don't worry about it. Next one is promote your March. Actually, if you want to increase your sale, then of course you need to promote, and they provide us some basic guidelines of it. In FAQs tab, you can see some frequently asked question and answer. If you have time, then I recommend you to read all of this to clear your confusion. If you have any other custom questions, then I recommend you to click on this contact us button and directly message them. They will reply you. So that's about it. If you are completely new on Amazon Merch on Demand platform, then I highly recommend you to come and check these resources.